number 22 therefore inside number 9 moon 2018 country people them PG News debate. It don't start, and for Tori for inside PG News debate, we go turn for talking the way will happen. First, we sabi say week way pass, plenty thing they happen. We go talk chapter for accident. We go take una to go for Banga Pongo side. We go to for Yabasi side. Then we talk chapter 2 for vote. But sabi say this afternoon we go start saying out the chapter for vote for Genyun Kunkumam. For corner side, wetin we don't pass for inside Douala today, as we people them like Maurice Kamto and even Osi Joshua them, they be start for meet up with people them today before campaign setup. It go start official for midnight. We go talk other one them this afternoon. We own changer they will get them for him. We get Adamu Hashimu, where says he don't answer present. Oga Adamu, come good. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Thank you, Oga Ambassador.
All right, another person too on Asabi well, na Mola Junana. Mola, good afternoon.
Afternoon, Ambassador, and thank you for another innovation.
All right, just for Sabisi as we talk, we go start first for corner sides. As Sabisi person like Mola, the way we asking they like say you come up for Bonaberi side this morning time. Your direction be na Bonaberi.
Yes, I really come out Bonaberi. You see how maybe physically I be a bit tired because of the traffic waiting for that side, and we all know why, because of the date of today.
Now why that was the one start for we for talk for corner side this morning time. Sabi say DO for Douala form. It deny same Maurice Kamto in no hold a meeting with party people them for corner government bilingual high school Bonaberi this morning time last as I say you meet all the population ready for roads and even Ketu they plenty mami water them where they bring them for any trouble people them. Now one talk this palaver for DO them where they be so deny for say make other party they know who their place. Sabi say this same confusion will happen inside the week for Cabral Libi, we begin for we own meeting to tomorrow for start Sikam. Last, we hear say other commander drive for you when they were Tanganji talk, then DO2 a change the talk, inside new book. You feel say all that kind of thing there, so correct?
I think one of the hopefuls of this presidential election, I be here one time he talks say this, so if he say be president, he could take that risk for close down that school where the trainees put them. If not, they really need for bring out another scheme of work during their training, because I don't understand why DOs then when normally they get for being our administrators, but they behave as if they be the first politicians. They don't want to see any person if you think contrary to that of the ruling party. So I don't understand. They create now more problem for this country. Presidential campaign it starts today, but I don't know why how this particular DO for Douala 4 could really deny so they don't hold campaign for the other road day, new road day and the old road day. They occupy the other one way in front, say they for the therefore orientate maybe population or traffic or cars and for the other road. I don't know why they deny this other one, but all the same, I think so there's a big signal for know what will happen tomorrow.
Now, just for talk, complete for that thing, we will talk to on top this palaver for Cabral Libi. They talk about your own palaver too. DO be fair deny. After we hear say Grat and go talk say no, make the levy major. After DO come out another book.
Yes, Mr. Ambassador, experience don't show for this country say this. So when DOs them, all that they try for call their attention for Kunkuma ready for Yaoundé, they do some certain acts them for call his attention so that they know say oh some person there for they feel do some certain things, but they don't know say be very negative. And Kunkuma the person be very intelligent. How many of them will succeed because about the one behaves so they feel so they'll get promotion tomorrow? See how they don't really disgrace this deal for Douala 5. We go deny or for the we go deny this Cabral Libi eating, but Yaoundé, Tanganji decides that this way it must hold. How you go feel now? So it really be disgraceful.
Oga Adamu Hashimu will talk some more on top this palaver for campaign where you don't start some kind of way today, even as we for midnight, we get for start automatic. You'll be check say DO be get right for the denying people them presidential people them people that they want be in Kunkuma. Say me they know hold their meeting for place with the one who lamb for Sika say toxic space you know they the other one for Cabral Libi they try for talking and say na for Sika say start Sika me no go day where they never even ask and you check say DO be get right for do that kind of thing.
Thank you, Ambassador. When we look the way we administrators they work this time, with the doubt whether they really complete from that school, the call them say school of reference, that and that where they train with administrators. Now the worst thing I say be like say when they do work, they know they collaborate with their hierarchy, people them for up. When you want to do something with this modern technology, if you touch your own Oga for update, John want to do something, you allow you do your own. When Paul want to do, you say no. It is so discrimination for your house. Let me say you've been a very bad administrator. Because if now one party, we know the party. If you leave me do but how when another party now it deny, it will be good, you know correct.
Now another two will talk for corner side before we get for start showing an image. Oga Adamu, this past days them, we don't hear about plenty Kale them where they don't happen. If you say this Kale them, you go help for any kind of style for say make vote pass fine because Kale today, Kale for this side. Mbangasa we hear say before we see Joshua enter place we did for the just now. They say Kale be passed for the yesterday for night. And since we hear now only Congo side say Kale get for pass for some part of them inside the wala here. Check say that Kale na some better thing.
No, Oga Ambassador. Since last time where I become for this radio or television, we don't talk. Say this country, things that you move now from frying pan to fire. They don't get a good way or a strategy, a method for solve problems for this country. Elections they come. If they don't get idea, they organize meeting, they decide how the governors they attend meeting with the Minister of Territorial Administration every month, I think. When they don't get their monthly evaluation meeting, they take decisions for decide on how to do things. They just it be like say they do their things at random. A man just get up in the morning, just decide, say no, we'll just arrest these people. Then we'll arrest these people. When people be intimidated, when people they fear, then that election not go pass fine. Because if you fear for come out, they will catch you. If you don't get your voting card, who say you go take you fear. So the problem is the way be for the northwest and the southwest don't begin enter the other regions too. That's what it be.
All right, Mola, palava for Kale to allow people then say their own eye need sleep or man Kale today Kale the other one they only in a Congo say Kale go pass. Yeah, when they say they don't put some places them Etugebe, Obili, Biamasi, say that place them back they don't enter. So normal official Kale now they answer.
Yes, Ambassador. Me I get that habit to respect any person you work and his speciality. And since I never get that opportunity, say me we try for investigate from those head of security departments, they tell me why they made that Kale and their objective. For me, I get the impression, say this so now for we own personal security when they do so. Maybe they don't get some information, say some bad boys, they want put insecurity for maybe for quarters, they stay for them. Now why they don't decide for go make Kale. But now the question I say this, so after the Kale, what will become of those people them? If at all say after the Kale, they present themselves with their ID cards and they release them, good and fine. But if we say this so, they don't just take them, they don't even ask their identity card, they don't put the inside for maybe for sale till today they never move them. Rather will ask and say, but why they do so? But for now, soon why yet me personally, I never yet get their reasons why they made that Kale. I just feel say
you sabi say some of the Kale the way they don't happen, they don't instead make people them for fear, then they enter your house, search all things, take them, ask you, will you get book for the one, you get book for the one, you get book for the one. Not even the identity card self sometimes them.
Yes,
like for Douala here.
Yes, you be right. You know say this so maybe all those security men them they get a very good judicial fine. Some of them they so I don't know they didn't interpret well the mission where they given for them. When I tell them say okay, when they go for this place, they go investigate. They seize the opportunity for trap down even innocent Cameroonians and just because they want money from them. So me too, I really condemn that one if and only if they do so without any background. But all the same, we just hope say they get a positive reason for do so.
All right, that one not just for corner side for inside debate. Nothing that they happen now. Now we surely see image for thing will happen for that side for Bonaberry when we turn back for Monday or even for Tori for this evening time. When we enter now, so for one we will see image. We will start for talk palava for accident from Konsamba with dogs SFB be come out. For consider accident will be passed for side with the call and say Konsamba. This Ngongo the way carry container on top his skin. 9 way it be jam. He make versus with some 20 they be there inside that motor will be tumble side for Konsamba. No person no die, but will be meet up plenty people them where they be get wound for Sekadin Gongoro and population say from Konsamba as soon as they be climb on top motor for try for common people them. One day way they turn up for outside, they only look for their own side they fit for turn up, other one they enter for inside the motor. Come out all cargo them where they be there for inside the motor as well even some people themselves where if they so they be there for inside the motor they be turn come out for outside with the wound like a mommy where food them blood and even face for mommy it shows say mommy says a common for die mommy face herself it change for sake of the two happen other one the day where army rescue them say they can carry and but no person it no be die for inside that accident where it happened for Konsamba. Another one way happen for inside Douala for we for complete we accident place. We take una go for road where they go for airport. This one na new moto where it tumble side to Tori to we enter for we EM. It they try for terrorist they pay a moto this year so they say na brakes for the moto say it caught. And where it cuts where the person where they for inside that motor is be the drive motor like say it be the making a competition with some other person. Now the person says that way be drive the motor person where they will tirade but sabi say near then say they come for the one time police then say they be there for check as well traffic it go pass fine no person too no die for inside this accident as soon as na break place for motor it cuts where the person be there for big speed. Now the person says that with his red clothes and white trousers where he make that accident. Now for road for go for airport, he says he come out he pick it in 1-1 as way Papa got a sorry life. So now the chapter that for accident Oga Ashimu as Sabi say this other second accident you talk say that one the talk say na motor be crazy maybe the man if you for checking motor for Sabi say even as the motor na new motor be get sick. But the other accident will happen for Konsamba. Maybe we'll start for talk for that one. 20-seater motor, no person no die. That one is good news.
Yes, Oga Ambassador. That one is a very good news. I be very happy now. I talk the smile because man no die. We thank God. The problem for them, I say driver be the sleep. How passengers they be react? How will they be discover? Say, I should say when I get on a passengers and say a driver be the work at the sleep for road. Yeah, they for react. They for do something. They for call that driver to order. They first stop that motor, give you even 30 minutes or 1 hour for sleep. After that, you wash your face, they continue. Because you know, fine, better late than never. No hurry go die for road, better you reach late.
If the people that inside that motor, they be there, and people that they can't do business for Douala.
Yes, no, at least they just give you some time, just 30 minutes or 1 hour, be better.
30 minutes too for them, be na time when they feel lost their business for this side.
Yeah, but they don't lose more time. How will the motor be fall now? So the best thing now for waste that small time, make driver sleep small. From my own view, that's why this year it be important.
So check say na careless for driver.
Na carelessness for driver.
You know one left nature for.
Really, you know the one left nature. If for sleep small, so that problem na driver problem, no be road, no be technical problem na driver. Then for the second accident, na problem for driver too because of excessive speed. They say they overrun plenty. So the two accidents actually na driver they don't make all the mistakes.
So we no get blamed for road the time.
No blame for road according to me.
Molaju.
Yes, Ambassador. I asked myself, what this road safety agents that they do for road? Because why would you see this kind of accidents and I ask again another question, wait to the Ministry of Transport and if possible security in charge of gendarmerie. What did they do so far? Because of the last two months, so many accidents around here happen for Cameroon here. And people that they die. God be our help, I say this so for this other accident, then no man no die. Then good and fine, I said no die. But now, when we see this one come out around that airport, very high speed, we really need for discipline with drivers them. Take decisions like say this so if for that maybe this so-called axle, if they will put some maximum speed where person get for use them for cross the better. So much so that we even put agents and for the way they discover and say this so you don't go beyond this speed. They break you, they sanction you, the better. Then for that Konsamba onto, person go be a whole driver. You carry so many families inside your motor, then you be tired. You did for steering. It be very, very achy. So they ask now these directors then for maybe transport agencies then. So they get for be more serious They can avoid say one driver will make like so many tens and per day. Because if many accidents occur, now their company go suffer. Because tomorrow if they cancel, all population will run away from their company. They go fine. So we all get to be very vigilant.
So for you, if you get forgive Kasingo red card for accident will happen, you go get for you or you go put them for governor?
Edman get own responsibility. Because one, if I take the side of the government, I say this, so the gendarmes are there for road. Did they do it? Because I don't feel accepted this, so gendarmes are there for road from maybe Bomono right up to Ebone. They go see motor really come, so they'll break motor. They don't get even that courage to enter inside the cross check even the driver. That is just take documents for motor, send them for outside, maybe with a banknote for inside. They say, okay, go. If that gendarmes have really check this man, they've got to discover and say he be very tired. And I blame to the population. When are the passengers, when are they inside motor, so long as you discover and see that driver be very tired, he sleep. When I call to his attention, even tell himself, say so I beg. When I use driver, break set for even 30 minutes, you rest more before you continue. As my brother just talked now, say this, so it's better too late than never. So when you try to sensitize the driver to go help all we, then the government part, I don't know. I don't even blame I don't blame because we inside some country way, you know, say last time what did they say the great director of maths, this kind small society put them, they become for Cameroon, for can visit we. And for that reason, we know the consequences. And ever since, now blood the flow.
Yeah, we go leave chapter for accidents. We take una enter for inside we quarter. First side we go land for day. We take una go for Bangapongo side. Will be tonton for inside Bangapongo. Inside this week we it be starts. And one of the things that we catch we eye na this church for side for Bangapongo they take na Banga he own leave them for fixed church. And inside the church after we people then say father they don't finish make prayer. Come out for outside. Wait till we meet up and for church where they prayer. Now follow then say we they enter for church to for make their own prayer for place where father and people they don't joke and she done. And if we check that signboard fine. In the show we say na Catholic church. So we ask and say inside Douala, Bangapongo is dey to na inside Douala or na for bush. Question we will never feel for answer even as well sabi say Papa God, you know the check side way they get for prayer for a name. But when you get Église Catholique, Gallican, whether na Apostolic du Cameroon, whether na how na big shame for say that kind of church if it's also there for inside Cameroon, this kind of time. We go remain for inside Bangapongo country people them. We take una go for hospital for Bangapongo side. Na two different in them. We dey talk now from church. We enter for hospital. For hospital side for Bangapongo, we enter for health center. Now for here we the lookout people them for Bangapongo na 15,000 population. But septic tank it don't full up. Now for them we the dirty water they come also. For sick people they come for inside that hospital. On top this palava smell where sick people they get dirty to where they take work for inside hospital now just for corner hospital they throw where it means everything when they throw the dirty then so thing they go happen. Place where woman they born now only one bed where woman fit born he overbath woman too if you born for on top place where doctor they work inside place where they go look out sick people them only 4 bed they inside when he overwork they put na two sick people them for on top one bed and the house will be get for lookout Bangapongo work it don't stop. They no sabi why we work is stop. Some of the work in the way they social left for days, some other one they don't differ. So now just suffer that way people them for Bangapongo they suffer. Now Mola, we will start with you this time. We talk first. Maybe you talk on top church small, Nashim. Even so Papa God you know they ever talk say I no care, so wanna they look at me, but church na church. God, he finds me, they would pray for Papa God for some better place. Then hospital, we don't already talk all the problem for Bangapongo hospital. Dirty, place for woman for born, only one bed a day. If you have a bat, woman go born on top doctor her own bed. Place where they keep people them for sleep, when hospital doctor her own bed. place where they keep people them for sleep when hospital overflow. Sometimes they be when you overflow, they send some sick people them for house. Banga Pongo get population for 15,000, and time for vote come. That side no man no go miss.
Yes, Ambassador. You know, say Mbanga Pongo de so na some quarter we get so many problems, and with this country, the way we would behave for this country, just like say this, so after we retirement, we'll go for our own real country. Then like say we'll be strangers for our own country, because I don't understand say this. So this particular Mbanga Pongo, after that, if Bisa give the Nenda Kenya Airlines accident. They give so many promises then. We get for Mbanga Pongo. They get for tar roads, open health center, gendarmerie, brigade, so many of them. Till date, almost 10 years today, nothing never happened for Mbanga Pongo. All of those promises them, no one be fulfilled. Then when I come back now for this hospital, yes, I will blame the director for this health center. Because it be Aki said so some of those byproducts, they used materials that they use, and they know how dangerous it is. Because also even syringes them for them. They get for no place where they get for go through them. Basically, place where we see as a tram for them. Just imagine say it's some person for night, he go for them for go peace, or you want to find himself that syringe that enter inside food, it could be in a house. It not be because they so they don't neglect una will decide to for punish to the population. Yes. They don't neglect una. You get only 3 beds. I did inside bush. So many things they be lacking for them. May they try for connive with the population. They see which way they fit do. Because we used to this government. Say government need ever fulfill its promises inside this country. It be good say this. So now maybe this Tory house don't try for sensitize even the government itself. And at the verge of an election, mono even just mono surprise saving tomorrow, maybe delegate for public health. He go for day, go put even wash for day, then make promises them. So okay, by next week or by October 10th, they go put more beds than for day, just as maybe a young part for campaign. So I blame even the government and even the population. The population, the doctor they get for work for them, now for we own good with the population. We even decide for say okay, for that reason we go join together, we even contribute like 5,000, we'll buy another bed for put them for them. Because now we woman them, now we begin the forcing, no na minister begin.
Alright. Ogadamu, when you see condition for that hospital and even church, what you get for talk?
Yes, Oga Ambassador. Are we surprised say the church in a Catholic church? We know the Catholic church for this country they been a church of reference in terms of infrastructure or structures. All their schools, all their churches been examples for this country, we know. So I don't know why they neglect the people there for Mbanga Pongo. We there talk say place of worship in a house of God. It don't be a mockery. If the people of Mbanga Pongo they be poor, they don't be able to raise money for build a church, the church itself will support them for build a good church so that they worship God comfortably. Then for that hospital, na district hospital, so that government hospital, me I be a worker with the government. We government workers mostly with the over neglect things and say with the weight me na government do up. Who go do the thing? Now we the population for that area, how my colleague don't talk. Since government never help more help ourselves. We try first of all for the sanitation of the area. We try to get a good septic tank or we drain the septic tank so that me excrete or this waste product not become the flow. Because that smell too now another disease we go bring out for the people the way they sick. Then place for dump that dirty. Mbanga Pongo still be in a bush. Even if they don't get a way for carry on for them, if they carry and go down for a distant place, they fit dig hole, bury them for them. So that's my own contribution. Thank you.
All right. We hope say them go here and them go duty where they get for Duam. We go take una go to for Yabasi for village where they call them say Jibong. Now for inside Yabasi. This week we'll be enter to for that village. We population to for that village be vexed. Now for Sika waiting road one see and where the block so now road with normal population be get for the user and even timber motor they be get for pass so they but population the vexed. Now for Sika waiting they talk say person where wey dey look at that bush wey they can cut all their timber them. He never do no nothing for the Jibom people dem say wey na dem dey dey for inside the village. According to tori wey enter for we ear before they wan give that company or the bush for person wey dey cut stick for inside that bush, if you don't promise say no be only for cut and stick them comot am for inside bush, but na say he go fix them roads and he go even fix them the bridge, plus even give water, school, other small things dem wey village people dem say they go yes say yes. There's some company dey wey dey cut with stick them, but bridge is also chakara, no nothing, they never do am. On top that one, road where the motor dem say they pass, e don so te wey no dey poto for all sides. Now all the one so e make the population for Jibom village for Yabasi side to the vex comot. They talk say e don too much, say better they comot the company for different person, give am for different person wey if he do them thing wey they get for do, and so then say they be vex inside the week. Oga Hashimu, I will start back with you. This kind of thing we sabi say firewood when they cut am na plenty money. And normal like a company wey dey for some site, e get for do some small thing the way for BB grammar or talk say social responsibility. Na thing wey the village people they go feel and say some person need to work for on top their land.
Yes, thank you, Ambassador. From the way these people for this village they react, it means that they know they are right. Because they don't sign a recently with the government, I think some few years back. So when the company they exploit something from our area, me give us some social amenities like schools, like roads, like hospitals. So that Mona be a bit comfortable. Don't mean they make Mona be happy too a bit. At least when I don't sacrifice and then to the sacrifice. But this government don't forget them completely. If one talk about Yabasi, like whole division, Yabasi is a divisional capital. They don't over neglect them. We go blame the government and we go blame the elite too for that area. Now,
for here they try for talk for we for this thing say this so that bush where they call that stick, na ngomna land. Bengom na don't give them for different person we get for look at the land. That person he don't give the land for different person we get for look at the land. By the time they sign book, all the things then so they be put and say he get for do am.
Yes.
But he never do am. So if you say Nangom na the fair for the or na the person way there for inside the land itself.
Yeah, because the person way there for the land at least you know before government won't give you that thing, they don't arrange with the government. What you go do? So it don't fail and government too don't fail because government for force it for do am. And how we know what do that mean say government don't fail? You don't fail. Now whether the population don't go and they are right and I support them for this their action.
Now the population the talk say me the commodore man with the local that land or Mirage enough. If you say the population be get right for do what they do,
they get right. Though it not be very this point not be very specific to this Yabasi, because everywhere in Cameroon, when they give an authorization for a given company, make it exploit a given natural resource with conditions say they get for give some social benefits to the population, more than 60% of those companies they respect them. And the government when normally it be up like a controller, it need to do anything. But for me, it draw me back for the saying, say this so Cameroon they really sick. No sector for this country today they work fine. Everything you go for sports get problem. Health you get problem. Forestry you get problem. Agriculture, education, even right up to defense you get problem. I not be a politician, but at least at this point in time, we need a new blood. Person will go use another vocabulary. Person will go get another idea. I don't know which person will be, but at least even if this other person get for commander for the ruling party, the better. Because even twins them, no two things are equal. Even people that commander for one belly or two, not go reason the same. So we really need a new blood for this country. Nothing need the worker.
All right, we go close chapter for Bush. We enter for chapter for Palava for vote for Genyun Kunkumam. Today go make 1 week. We chief them for that side. So for South region they become out. All the chief them, whether one way they no be fit for worker or all man become out. They be the cook Nkunkuma a picture. And the sabi say when they cook the picture, the photo, it go touch it to for Saturday day. They talk say they do already see am. Say na Nkunkuma a get for win for this chapter for vote. After they finish cook Nkunkuma one time, they be take na waka for roads, make mash for roads with their walking stick them. Waka sote who side the last go end. They be the waka so now for Tonton reach for governor office for that side, so for Ebolowa. Now for they way chief then say for south, they talk say they don't finish cook their king of king or na chief for chief, as so they call them. Photo say they hold them for hand. So they reach for governor office. For governor office, they meet up with Felix Ngele na governor for that side, so for Ebolowa. They talk for Oga governor say make no fear. Say Nkunkuma go so she done on top chair. Anitu e go so she done for on top a chair like a governor if Nkunkuma win. As well they put they toss Nkunkuma do already be for this. So Oga Felix said he talk for the chief, then say thank them plenty for the better work where they don't do now one of the things that will happen 1 week today where chief then say for south they come out, they say they cook Nkunkuma. Say na way they don't see and say he go win for inside the chapter for vote. Now palava for vote we already start. Amola na chief then that way they don't come out. One the way they only manage for waka, all man be come out that day. When you see the kind of thing, what you get for talk?
I will talk say for Cameroon now, the executives they don't succeed for minimize people them. In the past, we be over respect with traditional rulers them because traditional rulers they don't be interested for politics. How come say today a whole traditional ruler, traditional given region, they will gather themselves, they match for go see governor because they want to make some person win. It be a disgrace for this country. Just imagine say if at all say for that their particular village, some person that they pray make traditional rice and say person get for win. But I just ask myself so if tomorrow or by the 8th of October 1 year the talk say okay if Kukuma don't win they don't decide for city so it can by no one be again president of this country. How this chief they go behave? Or if by the 8th of October they want read elections results, it's going to say another person a win. How this chief they go behave?
They will support the other person.
They go support the other person. It show how they don't really be decisive. It show how maybe for them that their belly be more important. So I really respect some of those chiefs them for other regions and way they don't just decide for keep themselves far away from politics. So I don't really cherish that. I don't really at least.
Mola, Oga Hashimu, when you see this thing happen, you there for the same space with Mola Julnana saying shame for we chief them for enter now for inside politics.
Yes, Ambassador Tim Mola don't talk not true because chief it been a powerful all man for your area. No matter who be president, chief therefore be behind the person. Me just be say being a ruler. That means that auxiliary for administration. So you know get for bring out ideas, political ideas, because you get many political parties and you know no person will go win. And if another person will not be supporting you win, how you know you good? When I not go work fine. Because the man know say deeply not like it. Even though their politics not only for their own interest. But I want to say one thing we see last time on this Equinox TV, where we be very interesting too. I see one opposition candidate where you go some traditional rulers they be receive you very well and they be very
now for now OC Joshua for Lekki.
Yes, now I give them one feather. I mean for that chief them because they don't take a lot of courage for do that. If other chiefs them too do that one, I think a Cameroon go change. Nobody say all chiefs they only for the ruling party. I think they don't do fine.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. We go enter also for chapter for votes inside this week to a finish. Head boy for Episcopal Conference, His Lordship Samuel Clay Daseseb, he be come out for talk with the Tory people them, palava for vote wey dey enter for inside the country, and sabi say inside that commoting way Oga Samuel Kleda be comot. He try for talk say wetin, say he dey talk say he own Catholic Church sef, they go comot their Peace and Justice Commission wey dem say they go turn up for see as we vote for the year e go pass. On top that one, he talk say make Christian them, even pagan them, and even Tory people them and other Cameroon people them, make they try for choose person wey they check say go fit for help for say make Cameroon e comot for suffer wey dey suffer now according to Samuel Kleda. He talk say Cameroon e dey suffer for chapter for social palava, political, and even for side for Binet. Cameroon dey hear bad. Then on top all that one, this palava for Norwest and West, so confusion dey since we know nothing never happen. He talk say any of the person wey wan turn up from Kunkuma make e sabi say if na e be for chair, e get for find way wey e go find medicine for on top the confusion for Norwest and Southwest. But he talk say they no dey talk for no person, say choose the man, choose the man. Now just advice we give for all people them. Now the trunk talk that with Samuel Kleda, head boy for Episcopal Conference. He talk inside this week we will job for finish, and Sabi say before the week say we want finish, we will get big book with 3 big people them for church. They sign His Lordship Samuel Kleda, he be signed like head boy for all bishop them for Cameroon, and even big man for Muslim people them Sheikh Omaru he sign even big man for all Protestant church them where they call Right Reverend Funky Samuel he sign now for talk for chapter for peace. For inside the country, he talk for Ngomna Ketu them, he talk for Amba Boy them, and he give idea them to for Ngomna and other Cameroon people them for as well they get for behave, for say make peace, he enter for the country. Oga Hashimu, when we see big man like Samuel Kleda, Sabi say plenty time, all the time, and so since the chapter, he pass, he don't come out talk. When he come out for give advice, for talk say one, they don't put Peace and Justice Commission. Another one, say people they want vote, may they sabi who they will vote for help Cameroon for commot. If you say talk fine.
Yes, Ambassador. I think I appreciate you. You don't talk. You don't talk. Very fine talk. I want to refer to that chiefs them. If chiefs them to be work like this bishop them, it will be better because you don't talk na general talk. Any person will win election, me bring medicine for that problem for North and Southwest. You don't say whether a ruling party or opposition, any person. So you don't talk a general talk, and it shows say any man way one work fine, he go support that person from the way Bishop don't talk. And I think say how we Muslim to be they with Protestant, they don't support the idea. When a good idea, we all would support the idea.
All right, Mola, Jules, this His Lordship Samuel Kleda, head boy for Episcopal Conference, he come out. How you check him for your own side?
No, na wise talk that man he play a role as a church man, as a God man. He play a role. If at all say that traditional rulers them, they for really be neutral like this man, they for really be fine. And to an extent, I used to try say for invite some of my brothers already for this side. If at all they feel sacrifice even just one weekend, they travel. Go either northwest or southwest. They see what will happen for them. They come back. I think say their vocabulary will change because people really suffer for that side. It be very achy. Say people they suffer for that side, but when you come for this side, you explain to some person. The owner say they say no, gendarmes them. They get for really shoot those boys them. Mr. Ambassador, even till then when they say this person, they say Amber. Who be Amber? Till they will never yet identify who they call them Amber for that side. They use that words them for say Amber secessionist. Who don't ever come for television? So for inside Cameroon, where they reside for this Cameroon, say be a secessionist. We need na peace. Peace no get price for this country. We have to do everything possible, so much so that peace reign back for those regions. Now, so they would neglect them. But I tell we say this, so by December we'll start feel the after effect of those happenings in Northwest and Southwest. Even through even the food, even the chopper. Prices they go really escalate if at all not take a good decision. So it be very, very disturbing. So I even beg these government people that if you take decision for this country, may they put their hands for their hearts. They think they put human beings at the center of their preoccupations for a given solution. If not be so, like tomorrow will really be blurred.
Okay, now Inside the week 2 will be enter for park them for Northwest Southwest. We don't enter now, so for that proper chapter we'll be go for park for that side. So for Northwest in particular, con the people them for talk this palabam, we sabi say plenty people them they defeat the heart, all man in mind. They will be go for big park them for that side for talk say they so be then all man will be the wrong come out for inside Bamenda. Whether na pikin way it just start work at pikin way they so carry am for hand. Mami pikin all man be the wrong come out park themselves for Norwest. It be full up way all people themselves they be one run come up for that side for seeker say waiting all man in mind the shake for inside for seeker say tomorrow they no sabiti way it go happen and sabi say the one be the pass after we Congo side happen say it dey so things they go near for that side so for Norwest and even place for Southwest so you make them plenty mami them they only park their cargo them even for park you enter for park you know they even get place for Shidon you will go late you know go get places even for enter motor and even transport money sef na so two people there they carry people them they only add na money on top money way they carry people them e make am plenty people them say sef they run comot for inside that side so for Norwest but sabi say before this one way one pass governor say for that side for Norwest Adolf Lele Lafrique he too he be comot from Dongamen make we enter for different chapter now for governor for that side so for Norwest we he be comot for talk country people them we enter for a chapter for Adolf Lele Lafrique we he be the talk for that side so for Norwest Nadine make we go for the next chapter for talk this palabam governor we say he be talk for people them he be meet up with the Tory people them for that side so for Norwest sabi say na the first comot way Oga Adolf Lele Lafrique be the comot since we be turned back for Yawende and he be get for meet up now with the Tory people them and other people them for Norwest for talk for them this palava for Norwest we he don't make plenty people them for run comot he try for talk back people there they dey for inside bush with gun with shaker shoot say make they keep the gun then come back say country he go take them back he put them back for normal line where they so continue for live their life where they get for live am now so to he beg people there they dey outside say make they know they make confusion for inside country make they instead they preach na palava for peace so this comot wey governor comot he no so change people their mind as well they be comot for outside they so the wrong comot for that side so for Norwest and Southwest as well be the worker for inside the week book 2 a comot for social media and this book e make am plenty people dem say they talk yes book wey according to the book they say na delegate for transport for inside Norwest e sign for talk say any man wey wan worker for Norwest comot go for outside he must to talk the person in name wey he wan go see am place where they go and waiting they make he dey comot even tigni number but sabi say after tori tonton for all corner the same delegate too the same sign he comot again for talk say that thing e be dey na fake tori so na just so we see the week for inside Norwest we go turn back for yam Mola we go start talk all the two don't talk and we get palava people there they don't come out governor he talk and the book way he make people they start check whether Cameroon if it already divide.
Yes, I go start with that governor speech where they call on those people that inside bushes them when they come out but it just like say that they consider some of those people that inside bush like small people need the reason. Why would also they consider people any reason I say this so? Some steps they get for being respected before the one ask for them to come off for bush. One, their houses they be burnt down.
Maybe they talk plenty saying na most of people they get you shake a shoot, so maybe they keep them for them then they come. Say government no go give them any casting.
But if at all they get for organize some Tory for some table, they try for give an amnesty for all those people then before you ask and say okay we have to come out. But now no decision not be taken. They never discuss on anything. They will tell person say either for Bush may leave he gone he come back. For me I consider like I don't encourage them, but that speech now a trap where they set up for you. Who will accept for do this kind of thing? They know they already seen, and if they already seen, their backs are already for war.
Don't do bad.
They don't do bad. Their backs are there for war. So what you get for doing? I say so go for no get for try for see how they feel reconcile. Before they take decision, say okay, now any person where he get gone, he don't do bad. But since the government at this particular moment want a peace, we just pray God say more and not continue again. And secondly, those people there for bush where they get gone, some of them don't get anything doing, even hungry if you kill them. we go for try for do everything possible for create jobs so that we integrate them. We tell them, so okay, we not for bush with that guns and we put them down. If you be like a mechanic, na company this, if you go start work for them, you put your gun for that side. Who write that note? Even a fake, yes, it means some bad people for back don't sign up. But if not, if that delegate for transport, the delegate for Saki for to do. Because indirectly be explain to people and say this, so those guys will begin right for consider that section will be their own for their own country. If not, how you go ask person where you live, you go stay for that side, say if you say one commode, you can forgive person the name place where they go. Just like seeking for a visa. So they already give them that rights in their own country. So you know correct.
All right, Oga Adamu, we almost come out for outside program, but we don't already talk all the team them. Wait you get for talk for join and for TV Mulaju don't talk.
Yeah, my problem are these people when they come out, they live northwest and southwest. They not be comfortable at home. Me then leave them at least play with them, go get a bit of comfort. When my one go, you know get for the ass you say they go and so on. Because first of all, they run a war. Man, you don't war, even if you don't get person. If you don't get person for you, go do it. You don't ask him say they go make a telephone number. If you don't get place for go, you don't burn your house for them. When I don't burn people their houses, when I don't kill people, I don't call my cousin. The other guy tell me say the worst thing is when I get up in the morning, you want pass with the sick cops in Subamenda. So how you go to live in such an environment? Be very bad. So they make life to be uncomfortable for those of us who live for Douala here. Go for house where you be around 8 people, will be around 20 now. Because schools already go on for that side. I be a teacher. We get a class of 135 children here. Where we last year now around 100, 120. But the one thing government don't do way fine. I say they don't talk say any child work from northwest or southwest where they find admission, me they just give you admission. Me don't, even if space not there, me don't put up. Even if I ego she don't have for that, me they give you space.
Okay.
So
all right, so the people them now the one then that will get them for today. But before we come out, we get case for person we don't lost. This speaking in him, they call him now Born Christine. Make we put on the photo for before any person you see this speaking. They say this speaking he get 10 years and they talk say time we he be come out. He don't make 2 weeks now where he come out for house and he be the she done for place where they call him say Makepe Rue Petit Makepe Rue Petit. For according to two this for book for him, and they say this speaking he talk for French and he talk to from Gimba. So any person who sabi this photo will the show now and he sabi this speaking they call it say Born Christine. My papa Geke Dominique Bureau in the back. Any person for call this thing number them 67042498 672-105-252 he bring you for Equinox Story House. They say plenty dash il dit wait you. Monsieur Ngeke Dominique Briot déclare la disparition de sa fille âgée de 10 ans dans le mai Born Christine. Au moment de sa disparition il y a 2 semaines, elle vivait au quartier Makepe. Elle s'exprime en français et en langue Gemba. Toute personne qui aurait ou toute personne qui hébergerait ou aurait aperçu la petite Born Christine est priée de bien vouloir la conduire à la radio Equinox ou le numéro suivant. Contactez le numéro suivant 670-424-980 672 105 252 654 074 738 contre une très forte récompense. So now the story then that for this afternoon it be then a PG News debate. Sabi say if you miss some we go turn back for here. We rebroadcast it for Sunday for morning time. Big thank you for usual Mula Junana.
Thank you, Ambassador, all the artists and transformers as I see we agree to now.
Thank you.
Mwasu.
Thank you plenty. Thank you to Oga Adamu Hashimu.
Thank you, Oga Ambassador, and I thank everybody who watch Equinox. And they continue to watch Equinox.
All right, plenty. Thank you, Gonji Severin, Gonji Zephyrin. We there for one side. Even you Malis, you be the maker. Make people they see we for Facebook. Nadingwa for Sese be there for that side. They say we image. Big thank you to Faren Bunya. Na put we looking glass for we face. We the see we for outside. Make una all am tight. Sote for Monday for 8 o'clock.
You go fast today.
Yeah, go fast.